Feeling a draft round the edge of your windows? Same as doors, there's a free fix for UPVC and a cheap one for everything else. Here's both. If you've got UPVC windows, there's usually got the same hidden winter and summer setting as UPVC doors, controlled through the friction stay hinges or adjustable keeps. Open the window and look along the edge where it meets the frame. You'll usually find a small hex bolt on the hinges or adjustable keeps along the closing edge. Some use a 4mm Allen key, others just use a spanner. Turning these tightens how firmly the window pulls into the seal. This little notch in the cam pointing towards the seal, that's your winter setting. Adjust a little at a time, close the window and test for movement. If it starts sticking or won't latch properly, back it off slightly. Just remember, after winter, put the cam back to neutral. That'll be the notch in the cam pointing up, or summer setting with that notch pointing away from the seal. This takes the pressure off the seal and will help it last longer. If your windows don't have adjustable hardware, a self-adhesive foam or brush strip does the job for a few pound. Clean the frame where the window meets it, peel the backing and press the strip along the edge where you feel the draft. Close the window gently to check it still latches properly. Trim the strip down if it's too thick. Either way, once you're done, run your hand around the closed window. You shouldn't feel any air moving through. 10 minutes, next to nothing spent and a noticeably warmer room. If this helps, hit the subscribe. I post fixes like this every week.